Welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and this is Preeti. So today's quiz master has swapped places and she is the quiz master for the day and I'm going to be the participant. It is a hangman quiz. Yes, Preeti thinks this one's going to be a little difficult for me to guess. But let's see how difficult it is or not. Alright, Preeti, do you think I'll be able to guess it?
I'm not sure.
Okay, let's do something. Let me say I will guess it in, until there are 2 lives left for me for the hangman. Okay? Let's see if I'm able to live up to that. And let's see how difficult a word Preeti has chosen for me. Shall we start, Preeti?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Okay. So, my first guess would be obviously A. Okay. That's the A. Okay, on the second place. Nice. I got the first one right. Okay, A. So there's just one A, right? Okay, so there's one A here and then there is... Ooh, how many A's? Okay, there's one A there. Alright. Ooh, there's one more. Okay. So it starts with A and ends with A. Interesting. Okay. Doesn't start with the A. I mean, yeah, like in the beginning times. Yeah. What else could it be? No, let me think. T for toy. Okay.
No.
No T here. I was so confident about the T.
There is no T.
No T here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me think. What else? N. N for Nupur.
There is no N.
You. Was I a little overconfident? Ooh. I. Don't tell me there's no
There
I.
is no I.
Oh no. E.
There is no E.
Are you kidding me? S.
There is no S again.
What kind of a word is this,
There is
yeah?
only one.
Huh? I just have one life left and I said I'll guess it. Oh my god. Okay. Can you give me some clue maybe?
It's a rodent. It's a type of rodent.
R. Tell me there's an R, please. Oh, thank God. Okay, the R is there. Some R. And you say she's given me a clue which says it's a rodent. What can it be? God, I can't be wrong. I just have one life left. Oh God. This is giving me tension now. It's stressing me out. Is there a P?
Yes.
Oh God. It's like I am hanging with the hangman. Oh my God. Okay. So there is a P. I'm still not able to guess it, yeah? What?
This is a little hard one.
Okay, let me ask you a few questions. Let's see. I mean, you can give me a yes or no, so it makes it easier for me to guess. Are these rodents found in India?
No.
No, thought so. Indian rodents का नाम भी there, very easy. सब foreign वाले ही हैं. Okay, so they're not in India. So I really have to have some kind of a knowledge to be able to guess this one.
It's found in Africa.
Africa. Okay. Sale India, we don't know how many others. Africa can't to guess. Unfair, this is Preeti. Okay, let me still think. Okay, so the R is only there. Okay, I'm just trying to place all the letters in certain places to see if actually it makes something sensible out of it. First one, fourth one, fifth one. Okay, so it could be a B or a D. What should I guess? I'm taking some time to actually analyze what it could be because I just have one life left. Oh god, this is so stressing. God, why am I not able to guess it? Okay.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm just taking this. D. D for dog. Yes, no, say something.
No,
Preeti.
there's
Oh god, that's bad. Give me probably just one life extra.
okay.
Yeah, just let me try. Maybe is there an M?
No M.
No M. Okay, so there is no chance I can guess this now because I was thinking it could be a Mara or a Dara with the ARA there, but it could actually also be a Hara H. Is there an H?
No H.
No H also. I lost more than lives I had. Even if I would have had all the lives, this wouldn't have worked for me. God. Okay, Preeti, I think it's okay. Last chance I'll try. Is there a B?
Yes, there is.
See? Should have told a B instead of the D. Oh, it's a Bara, not a Dara, not a Lara. D. Okay. So, Didara. No, Bara. U? Some PU Bara? Apu Bara? No, I don't know. Okay, just give us the answer. Let's see what it is.
Capybara.
Capybara. Okay, I haven't heard of that one. So it's a C. Acha,
Y.
Cappy. Ooh, CAPY. Okay, and it's a kind of a rodent, huh? How does it? I mean, what kind of a rodent it is? Like a rat, or I mean, how does it look? Because it's not found in India.
It's huge.
Very big one, huh?
Yeah, till this one.
Nice. So I'm sure you guys picked up something today, learned something today. Capybara. I didn't know it. I learned it because Preeti, got this word for me in the game of Hangman. Alright. Were you able to guess this word unlike me? Please leave it in the comments if you were. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our regular quizzes and videos. Until then, it's a bye from me and Quizmaster Preeti. See you!